Okay, I'm back inside Rad Studio. Let's run the app and we'll log in. I've got a test session. I've built a few events and I made a few heats because I've nominated some people. And at the moment we're using the simplified, scratch and delete. So let's turn over to the Fina codes. We go to switches, enable Fina. And now you see this column, decode, which is the disqualification codes. So how do we disqualify someone? Well, we'll click here. We can click on this ellipse button or we can just double click. You can't type in that cell. You have to do it this way. And then it displays a list of all the codes. First section is just general, which is common to all strokes. Then there's a section here specific to the stroke that you're on for that event. And then there's a couple of special codes here which relate to the simplified version of disqualification. If you go to say another stroke, like backstroke, and we do it again, you'll see that the backstroke now appears because that's the event stroke that we're on, okay? All right, we'll actually apply a disqualification here for Kimberly, and we double click. We can click on a disqualification code. We can then use the OK button, or we can just double click. It's easier. So yeah, well, there we go. There we go. They're all disqualified, all of them. All right. Now, if we want to get rid of it, generally there is a shortcut key, Alt backspace, I think. But it's not working. It's something I need to fix. But we can go in here, we can use this button down the bottom. It says clear code and exit, and it disappears. Now if you were to switch back to the simplified version, turning that off, you'll see that little buttons have been clicked or checked for you. So it knows how to be in either mode. So if you got it going, so old versions, of course, will be fine, and new versions, you can either go for the Fina codes or you can just keep your life simple and just have two check boxes. So for the next job is to tidy up the auto build. Down the bottom here we've got entrance membership type. Well, that table's disappeared, so I've got to fix that up. And then of course the other one is where if you select one of these events and it's a relay, then the interface will change and you can build relays. And so I've just got to do those two things, which are quite a bit of a task, and then it's version 3 comes out for you. Okay, well that's your update, so we'll catch you later.